So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the filter and how to put in a new everydrop refrigerator filter. I just got this in the mail from Amazon, and it's an everydrop Maytag whirlpool refrigerator filter. And we're going to show you how to put this in the refrigerator. The filter on these refrigerators is down here. All right, so let's get right into it. So what I have to do is I got to twist this, and they're really in there tight. So I'm going to twist it hard. I'm going counterclockwise to get it out. There, I got it. So you've got to twist it counterclockwise to get it out. You got to twist it counterclockwise. I hope I did that good. So I got it, and it just comes out just like that. And it's going to drip, all right? This one feels kind of hot. So the way it comes off, if you notice, it's slipped in here. So you got to slide it either way, just like that. Doesn't matter. But just kind of remember which way you had it in there, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and slide it off of there like that. Bam. Set that one down. Put that right there. Then we got to open this up, right? So we got to get into this. And we got it open. You'll notice they got a blue cap on the end here. So we got to pull that off. That's it. Bam. If you look, it's the exact same thing, right? Don't use this one because it's a bad one. This is the good one. All right, so what we're going to do is first we're going to slide it in there just like that. See that? No big deal, right? Let me show you again. There's the cap. Slide it in. And then we're just going to put it in like this. Slide it right in there. Let me get a little closer shot. Just like that. Now I went counterclockwise, right? So now I've got to go clockwise, just like this. And I mean, I got to turn it hard. And bam, it's in. And that's it. So let's take a look up here. Okay, so you see that this is showing me that I've got to clean that. I switched the filter. And now we're going to purge it. And it's just going to run. Just like that. So don't freak out, because it just keeps running while it's cleaning itself out. Let's do it one more time. You can hear it. See it? I'm gonna get all that air out of there. All right, so you got to do this until it shuts itself off like that. Otherwise, somebody will try to fill up a glass, and Bob will not be your uncle. Okay, I think we're good. To reset this, I got to push this 5 times. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green. Okay, now we're green. 5 times there, and Bob's your uncle. We did it. We figured it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my vegan refrigerator. Peace out.